Hi everyone, and welcome to my first tutorial on how to 3D print a container using a simple design and basic materials. In this video, we'll show you how to create a 3D model of a container using a computer program, and then we'll demonstrate how to print it using a 3D printer. First, let's talk about the design of our container. We'll be using a program called Blender to create a simple round container with a lid that fits snugly on top. The design is straightforward and easy to follow. So even if you are new to 3D modeling, you should be able to create it with ease. Once we have our design ready, it's time to start printing. First, we need to load the 3D printing filament into the printer. This is typically a spool of plastic or other material that the printer melts and then extrude to create the 3D object. Next, we'll load the 3D model into the printer's software, which will then generate the instructions of the printer to follow. The printer will use this instruction to create the container layer by layer, starting with bottom and working its way up. Once the printer is complete, we'll remove the container from the printer and let it cool down. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, we have created a custom container with 3D printing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.